Welcome to Golf Charlie Romeo Zulu Romeo. Zulu Romeo is a 2012 PS-28 cruiser, originally registered as Golf Echo Golf Hotel Alpha because its first home when new, back in 2012, was at Compton Abbas Airfield, whose ICAO code is EGHA. The video is frozen here so that you can take a good look at the three-blade propeller. The aircraft is now based at Fife Airport in Scotland, ICAO code Echo Golf, Papa Juliet. Let's carry on with the walk around. I'll speed up the video a little. I hope you like the background music, but if not, send me suggestions on the back of an old 50-pound note. Time to take a look at the panel, which is both modern and beautiful. It is glass gadget loaded, the list comprising Dynon EFIS with a D100 primary flight display, a D120 engine monitor, and an HS34 navigation extension module, a Garmin SL30 Navcom, a Garmin GTX328 transponder, which has Mode S, plus the usual magnetic compass, a backup AI, and a backup ASI. Whilst we take a brief look at the interior, which has grey seats with blue inserts, plus more aft baggage room than one might imagine, let me give you a synopsis of the aircraft's other specifications. The engine is a certified 100 horsepower Rotax 912S2 with a TBO of 2,000 hours, and it can operate on either MoGas or AvGas. The 5-year hoses were done in February 2025, and the panel includes a USB-A port on the P1 side, which is a UKCAA approved modification. Unofficial performance figures suggest the following: 75% cruise at 3,000 feet, returns 93 knots. There is a range of 512 nautical miles, with a 30 minutes reserve. Average fuel burn is around 17.5 liters per hour. A couple of important notes. It is maintained on the manufacturer's program, and canopy guidance SB-CR-065 was performed in December 2022. Wow! My throat is dry and needs water. Lastly, the PS-28 is a day VFR aircraft, and before I forget, included in the sale are bespoke wingtip and prop covers, original canopy cover, a RAM mobile phone mount for convenient operation with SkyDemon. Finally, the aircraft has had 3 owners from new, and truly the final note, it has a UK noise certificate. Thank you for watching Golf Charlie Romeo Zulu Romeo. All inquiries via Derrick Ings Aircraft Sales at www.derrickings.com.